Hey there, fellow business owners. Ever found yourself juggling multiple bank accounts for your business? Maybe you've got one for everyday expenses, another for savings, and maybe even one for those pesky tax liabilities. And you're wondering, can I actually connect all of them to Xero? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into how to add multiple bank accounts to your Xero account. Now, why is this important? Well, imagine trying to reconcile your finances with a spreadsheet. Nightmare, right? Xero is designed to be your central hub for all things financial. By connecting all your bank accounts, you get a real-time, bird's-eye view of your cash flow. This means no more manual data entry. Say goodbye to those tedious hours spent manually entering transactions. Xero automatically imports your bank transactions, saving you time and reducing the risk of human error. Improved cash flow forecasting. With all your accounts linked, you can accurately track your income and expenses. This gives you a crystal clear picture of your cash flow, allowing you to make informed decisions about spending, investments, and overall business strategy. Simplified reconciliation. Xero's bank reconciliation features make it a breeze to match bank transactions with your own records. This helps you identify any discrepancies quickly and easily, ensuring the accuracy of your financial data. Better decision-making. With a complete and accurate financial picture, you can make more informed decisions about your business. Whether it's investing in new equipment, hiring new staff, or simply managing your cash flow more effectively, Xero provides you with the insights you need to succeed. Now, let's get down to business. Step 1. Accessing your Xero account. Log in to your Xero account. You should be on the Xero dashboard. Step 2. Navigating to the Bank Accounts page. Look for the banking menu on the left-hand side of your screen. Click on Bank Accounts. This will display a list of all the bank accounts currently connected to your Xero account. Step 3. Adding a new bank account. Click on the Add Account button. This usually looks like a plus sign or a button labeled New. You'll be presented with a few options. Search for your bank. Xero has a vast library of bank integrations. Start typing the name of your bank into the search bar, and Xero will try to automatically find and connect your account. Manual connection. If your bank isn't listed, you can usually connect manually by entering your account details. Step 4. Connecting your account. Using bank feeds. Recommended. If your bank is listed, select your bank from the search results. You'll typically be redirected to your bank's website to authenticate the connection. Follow the on-screen instructions provided by your bank. This usually involves entering your online banking credentials. Once authenticated, Xero will start importing your transaction history. Step 5. Connecting your account. Manual connection. If your bank isn't listed, select Add Account manually. You'll need to enter the following information. Account name. Give your account a descriptive name, e.g., business checking, savings account. Account type. Select the appropriate account type, e.g., checking, savings, credit card. Currency. Choose the currency of the account. Bank statement line. Enter a line from your bank statement that uniquely identifies this account. This helps Xero match transactions correctly. Step 6. Importing transactions. Once your account is connected, Xero will automatically start importing your transaction history. The frequency of imports will vary depending on your bank and your chosen settings. Step 7. Reconciling your bank accounts. Regularly reconcile your bank accounts in Xero to ensure accuracy. This involves comparing the transactions imported by Xero with your own records and making any necessary adjustments. Adding a second or more bank accounts. Simply repeat the steps above for each additional bank account you wish to connect. You can connect as many bank accounts as you need to Xero. Tips and troubleshooting. Enable automatic bank feeds. This ensures that your transactions are imported regularly and automatically. Keep your bank account details up to date. If your bank account information changes, e.g., account number, login credentials, update your information in Xero accordingly. Troubleshooting connection issues. If you encounter any issues connecting your bank account, check Xero's help documentation or contact Xero support for assistance. Important note: security. Always prioritize the security of your bank accounts. Data privacy. Be aware of Xero's data privacy and security policies. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.